Would you like a magic machine that automatically attracts new customers to you? Of course you would. How about if it also sold them on the benefits of doing business with you? The business owners that I talked to, they knew they needed a website, but they didn't really know what to do with it. I think a lot of people think that they just need to have a pretty website. And I'm here to show you that your website can have hidden treasure in it. I want to teach you that your website is your #1 tool to grow and support your business. What? Yes, your website is your #1 tool to grow and support your business. And if you think of it like that, it's going to automatically help you to enhance each aspect of your business, allowing you to attract more customers, make more sales, improve your customer service, increase your efficiency, save time, save money, all while serving your clients better, faster, and easier. Your website is the only thing you can fully own and control online. That's a really big point because with all the other platforms that are out there, with all the other things that are screaming at you for your attention, there's value there. I want you to use those other services because if you have clients there, that's a great place for you to meet them. But I want you to always remember in the back of your mind, your website is the only thing you can fully own and control online. I want to take a moment to acknowledge you. Congratulations, you're here because you want to improve your business, obviously, or you wouldn't be spending this time with me now. And you're taking these steps to do so. And so I want to acknowledge you and tell you to pat yourself on the back. Good job for being here today. I'm so proud of you. You are one of the few percentage of the world that's actively working to improve your life and your situation. Hello, my name is CJ Gilbert. I'm an author and speaker, and I'm here to teach you how to make your website work for you. In this 7-part video series, I'm going to be presenting the 5 golden keys to sharpen your website as presented in my book. And we're going to be talking about how to systematically improve your website and your whole business. My website, Safari.com. Sign up for the 5 keys to unlock the profit hidden in your website, and I'll see you there. This is CJ Gilbert reminding you the internet is a jungle. You don't want to get lost or fall into hidden traps. Hire a well-trained guide to lead you through and get you where you want to go. My website, Safari.com.